All right, everyone. So for the next part, I handed you guys all a copy. Does everyone have a copy of the book? We Like Mud. Awesome. Okay, there we go. A little better. All right, so We Like Mud. Good. I want everybody to look at my book first, and let's go through and see what this book will be about. So let's look at the front page. Oh my goodness, look at all those kids playing in the mud. Okay, it's for first graders, which you guys are, and it's from the Super Kids Library. Whoa, that's awesome. Let's look here on the second page. Ah, look at that. We like mud. Let's look. Okay, let's look at the second page. Do those kids look happy or sad there in the mud? You're right. They look like they love it. Okay, they love being in the mud. But yes, I agree that they do look like they are happy. And another thing for happy can be love. So, yes, I agree that they look like they love being in the mud. Awesome. Look at here, guys. Do you see some things? Yes, you're right. There are some words on here that we worked on. Does everybody remember thrush and what thrush is? What is a thrush? Yes, it's a small singing bird. Okay. All right. So, this is what we're going to do. Okay. When I start, we're going to read aloud together. Okay. And if you mess up, that's okay. We can stop, but I want you just to try to keep going and do as best as you can. All right. Ready? Set. I like mud gobs and globs and blobs of mud. There are animals that like mud as much as I do. River otters like mud. An otter will make its home next to a river. Then it can flip and flop and slip and slop in the mud. Ducks like mud. The mud in a pond is loaded with bugs. A duck wades in the mud. Hold on, real quick. Can we work on this word right here? This is one of our words. Okay, here we go. Let's do this word wades. Can you say that word again? Wades. Let's sound it out. Wades. Wades. Good. Does everybody understand that word a little better? Let's try that again. A duck wades in the mud. It digs for bugs with its bill and gobbles them up. Frogs like mud. Frogs have long, strong legs and webbed feet. They can swim well in mud filled ponds. Mud is a big help to frogs. Some animals think that frogs are a terrific snack. But this frog is well hidden in the mud. Use your fingers. Remember to follow along with your fingers. Other animals will not eat it for lunch. The thrush. Wait, everybody, time out. Let's stop. Here is the word that we worked on. What is a thrush? Yes, it's a small singing bird. This is what a thrush looks like. How cool is that? Look at all those spots on it. What do you think it's doing right now? Yes, it's feeding its baby birds. The thrush, let's start over. Here we go. The thrush likes mud. She makes a nest of mud and twigs and grass. The mud makes her nest snug and strong. The potter wasp likes mud. She makes little pots of mud. Then she drops her eggs in the pots. New wasps wiggle from the pots. Look at those. Look at that pot. That's an interesting looking wasp. It's got a large head and wings and a very skinny, tiny body and a large backside here. Pretty cool, huh? Butterflies like mud. Butterflies gather to sip mud from a puddle. Mud has salt and other things in that butterflies need to eat. Pigs like mud a lot. When it is hot, pigs doze in the mud. All right, let's stop for a second. What's the word that we just saw? Doze, very good. And what does doze mean? To fall asleep, very good. Look at how happy he is. He's just sleeping in the mud, staying nice and cool. Mud protects a pig's skin from the hot sun. Piglets like to clamp and stomp in the mud. Piglets are like little kids. That's what a big pig is. A pig is an adult, and then piglets are their children. So they're little piglets. Love the mud, just like the kids on the cover, right? We like mud. We like to swish and splish and splash and dash and play in mud all day. Oh, look, there's a little pig at the end. The end. What a great job today, class. That was good, huh? We'll continue to keep working on those things. Hold on for our next video.